Hey, it's Heather with Ace. Does your to do list feel more like a guilt trip than a productivity tool? Most days, I start the day with 47 things to do and finish with at least 48 still staring at me when I log off. How does that happen? This week's tip, the three things rule. It's a game changer. Instead of trying to do everything, focus on just three high impact tasks each day. Not busy work, not things that make you feel productive, but tasks that actually move the needle forward on revenue, growth, and clarity. Here's how to make it work. At the end of the day, write down three priorities for tomorrow. Choose tasks that align with those priorities and your goals, not just what's screaming at you the loudest. Do those three tasks first before you dive into the rest of your crazy day. This shifts you out of the reactive spiral and swirling vortex of chaos and into intentional action that moves your business forward. Real momentum doesn't come from doing more, it comes from doing what matters most every single day. Try it this week and watch your stress go down and your progress go up. Also, please share your favorite productivity hack in the comments below so we can learn from each other.